So he knows something about Donald Trump. He wants for people to know he doesn't want for Donald Trump to continue to get away with this particular thing. It's like he wants to protect the world more than he wants for Donald Trump to be found out. Yeah, there's some darkness, all right. Okay, so seeing very, very tall guardian angel, which I mentioned, and then I've never seen this before in an energy field. In front of the guardian angel's head, directly over my head, which would be the position of Elon Musk's head, there are bats flying around. So, bat, spirit, animal message. The black of the bats is fear. The bat represents like a revealing that creates a great transformation. So it's like the way that bats hide and then they come out. It's a revealing of something that was hidden. And I think it's interesting that it's like high up close to the guardian angel's face. Like it feels like a scary movie or but scary movie like Lord of the Rings kind of scary. Like there's like fantasy. Like it has that kind of vibe to it. I don't know. I don't know why it would be like so close to the guardian angel's face. I know that it means fear. So what I want to focus on is like the reveal. Something's going to be revealed. Is it something that he's trying to hide, that he's aware that he's hiding? I feel like it has something to do with Donald Trump. What I am feeling very strongly is that he knows something about Donald Trump, like he is like keeping a secret. I'm feeling like this is going to help to explain the association with the guardian angel, the bats and the guardian angel. Okay, so he knows something about Donald Trump. He wants for people to know he doesn't want for Donald Trump to continue to get away with this particular thing, but it's not, it's like he wants to protect the world more than he wants for Donald Trump to be found out. And this has so much to do with the tension that's between them, the rivalry that's between them. They were really like digging each other for a while there. And once again, speaking of memes, the meme where Elon Musk memes can be so funny. But the meme where Elon Musk and Donald Trump are talking on the phone, like it's like split screen, they're talking on the phone, they're going, "You hang up first." "No, you hang up." Like they're like laying in the bed talking like teenage girls. That was so what it was like for a while there between them. Like they were so into each other. They were just like getting off on each other's power. They were, they both have wounded inner boys inside of them that make decisions. And so they're a lot alike. I think I'm going to be doing Donald Trump next, spirit reading of Donald Trump next. So yeah, like this, it's something that's stressing him out. And the guardian angel is like wanting to, okay, so is like wanting to protect Elon, like convincing Elon to keep it a secret. And the guardian angel is not only trying to protect Elon, the guardian angel is trying to protect people, like people in general. He does have Aquarius energy in his chart. It's Mars in Aquarius. Looking to see if he had the Aquarius energy anywhere in his big six, because that is an energy that can make somebody like more likely to make decisions for the greater good. Like they are on the side of the crowd, they're on the side of the masses, while also doing things in a way that is totally against tradition. That's Aquarius energy. But like someone's heart can really be in the right place if they are moving with that Aquarius energy. So yeah, there's something, it's like his guardian angel simultaneously guards him and then also guards the people, like has this, like has a purpose of guarding the people that Elon Musk's decisions will affect. One final message wants to come through. It's from his guardian angel. And it's like a little, just a little cliffhanger that the bats that are flying around, it's going to come through. Like the secret that he's hiding from Donald Trump, it's going to come through when I do Donald Trump's spirit reading. It's like a promise, a promise from the guardian angel of Elon Musk that Donald Trump's dark secret is going to be revealed. We shall see, huh? I've never had that happen in a celebrity spirit reading. Just tune in next week. Thank you for supporting my channel with the cliffhanger, guardian angel of Elon Musk. Oh man, I love my job. I love my work so much. So thank you so much for being here. Thanks so much for staying to the end. Please give this video a like, subscribe if you want to see more of this content in the future. Make sure to share. If you would like for me to look into your energy field, help you figure out what's standing in your way of becoming the person that you want to be and creating the life that you want, check out what I have going on at my website, queenwortham.com. You'll see all of the different coaching packages that I offer there. If this message resonated for you, please let me know in the comments. At this point in my YouTube journey, I always answer the comments. I'll always respond. I'd like to start a discussion with you guys about these bigger issues, and I'm going to continue to take on the most powerful men in the world this summer, 2026. There will be many more of these to come. Thank you so much for your time, and I am sending you love. Bye-bye.